Swimming, a Jolly Phonic Reader by Sarah Vernham. The children are waiting for a bus. Miss Beach is with them. They all have big bags. They all chatter happily, except Seth. He stands and looks at the ground. The bus comes, and the children and Miss Beach get on it. They get off the bus at the swimming pool. Martin, the instructor, tells the children to get into the pool. They jump in. Seth hangs back. "Come on, Seth," shouts Martin. "Hurry up and get in the pool." Seth is not a good swimmer. He still needs floater. "Kick your legs," Martin tells the children. There is lot of splashing. Seth tries not to get splashed. Next, the children swim across the pool and back again. They do lots of things in the swimming lesson. Mushroom floats, star floats, and picking up ring from the bottom of the pool. Martin tells children to swim up to the deep end. Seth stands and shivers. Then suddenly Ben cries, "Look, Seth is swimming!" The children, Miss Beach, and Martin all clap. Seth feels very proud. Thank you.